and welcome back to my channel. Because Mother's Day is round the clock, this video will help you create different DIY ideas and surprise your mom this very Mother's Day, because mothers are so special, they need to be treated extra special on their day. I'm not going to talk too much, we need to jump into the video. In the first DIY, we are making a smiling breakfast sandwich. For that you need onions, carrot, tomato, some paneer, salt to taste, capsicum, and our most favorite and important ingredient, piri piri masala and chaat masala. Now take paneer, that is cottage cheese, capsicum, carrot, tomatoes, and all of your ingredients in a mixing bowl. And then put the seasoning of piri piri masala along with salt and chaat masala. Now piri piri masala, I got it from D-Mart. To see if you do not get it at the place where you stay, you can take it online. Now this is an all-time savior. It is the masala that the McDonald's people use and sell the fries at an expensive rate. You need not go to McD now, just make it at home. Take some bread and then put the stuffing on it, and as usual grill the sandwich like you normally do. And then take your sauce and create a cute smiley on the sandwich. Give it to your mom early in the morning. A smiling sandwich. For the next DIY, we are converting a plastic container into a very small and cute pot and planting your mom's favorite plant or your mom's favorite flower. So what we have done, we have heated the knife and then we are cutting the upper part of the container, and after that is done, make some holes at the bottom of the container to make it and convert it into a proper pot. After you're done with that, put Fevikwik or hot glue gun as you have at your place and just wrap around your favorite color wool. Cover the entire plastic vessel or container with the wool, and that's how it'll turn out. Now take some moss and place it at the corner and the edges of the pot. After you're done with that, fill the entire pot with the help of soil. That will help in the growth of the plant. After that is done, place the plant at the center and water the plant. Put a small sticky note saying Happy Mother's Day and gift it to your mom after you've given her an amazing smiling breakfast sandwich. The next thing that you give her is an amazing plant. The next DIY is super fun, converting your old jeans into a jeans apron for your mom. Now you cut an apron size on a piece of paper. I've cut it on a newspaper. I marked it with the help of a pencil and then cut it with the help of scissors. Once that is done and removed, remove one of the back pockets. This is what you will get: a pocket and an apron. Now the upper part of the jeans, where you put your belt around your waist, cut around that part which becomes the belt of the apron. Take one end of the jeans and cut around a long strip which becomes the neck of the apron. After that is done, take some fabric paint and paint your hand. Now this is the design that I have created. It's up to you. If you want to leave it plain, leave it plain. If you want to color it, do any kind of stuff that you want to do and make your mom feel special. I did not want to get into too much of painting, so what I did is printed my hands with different colors and made them into a butterfly. It is customized and made out of my love for my mom. That is why I used my fingerprints as well as my hand. Some beads and finally decorated the entire look of the butterflies as well as the grass which I have made on the bottom. This is the finished product and I really loved the way it has come out, and my best DIY till now. This is the most super fun DIY ever, recipe of a loving mom. Now stick the sticky notes as I've shown. Now you can stick them the way you like, but what I've done is taken one color of sticky note and the other line with the help of other color. So taken 4 colors of sticky notes and made 4 different lines vertically and written a very cute note for her. Recipe of loving warm. Now you can again customize this message according to your wish. Just click on the stop button and you can see what is the message that I've written. You can create it into a thought of the day or thought of the week board by flipping it on the other side. New bangles out of the old bangles that you have hanging around in your closet. What you need to do is take a decorative box, take some bangles, wool, scissor and hot glue gun. All you need to do is take the wool and wrap around the bangle. The first step, what you do is take the wool and wrap it around while tying a knot at the first go. After you're done with the first tie knot, wrap around the wool around the bangle. Once you get the last edge of the wool, leaving around some wool behind, cut the wool with the help of a scissor and stick it with the help of hot glue gun. Moms love jewelry, and if you create new jewelry out of the old ones, she couldn't be happier. You can decorate it as you like. Now I've created 3 bangles, one which is monochrome, that is one color. The second one is where I've created a traditional look with 2 colors and sticking the beads at the entire circumference of the circle. And for the third, all I've done is taken 2 colors and wrapped around the bangle. Now if you're not that creative, into too much of craft, art and cooking, you could do 3 things. The first thing that you need to do is keep your mobile phone aside for the entire day. I mean, that is the most amazing gift you can give to your mom. She hates your mobile phone. That's her dushman. The second thing that you can do is, I am thinking and I suppose that you know how to make tea as well as coffee. So you can give her bed tea as well as coffee or green tea, whatever she likes. And then gift her a rose. Who doesn't love a rose? If you're a guy, you could do one thing. Take her out for a lunch date or a movie date or a dinner date. Now guys hate shopping. If you insist her and take her out for shopping, she could be so happy. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you really liked it, and if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. Bye.